our place. This thing's nice, man. Yeah.
Gabby, leave her alone. Gabby and Lily are going at it. Peach, you guys ever drink this stuff? It's pretty good. I've been getting a lot of comments asking me when I'm going to do a van update. I haven't done one because there really hasn't been nothing to update because it's kind of been put to the side. I really wish I could got it done, but ready to go camping for the 4th. I'm going to show you guys some of the things I got that I'm going to put on here, getting it ready to do some stealth camping. If you guys aren't familiar with stealth camping, it's a pretty big thing on YouTube. People get vans, trucks with campers on it. They put beds and stuff in there. And they do this thing called stealth camping where they go into Walmart parking lots or Kmart's or Target, stuff like that. And they camp without being detected. Stealth camping. It's actually kind of cool. Once I get this thing set up and ready to go, I might have to go do a little bit of stealth camping, but I'll show you what I got for it. I got me a rack for up top, but I also got some, I'll show you. They're bars that the rack goes on. I call it a rack, it's actually a basket. I'll show you guys that. I'll unbox it, and it's gonna go on top in the front, so I'll go over that and I'll show it to you. It's a hot, humid day here in Oklahoma. The sun's going down. It's like 8:20 in the evening. I've actually been working at a fireworks stand for my kids' school for the last 5 or 6 hours. I was gonna try to do this video earlier, but I just got done with that, so we'll be doing it right now. This is like the prime time for Gabby to be shedding. She is shedding like crazy, or I would take her camping. Gabby loves getting in the van, getting in the truck, and she likes going places. So as soon as she gets done shedding, we brush her about daily, and she's just so much hair going on. She's got so much hair coming off of her, it's crazy. I can't let her in the van right now. But let me show you this and we'll unbox it. It's a Kurt roof mounted cargo basket. I just got off Amazon. They're not sponsoring me by any means. I'm just hoping it'll work. And I got the bars over there. Gabby, what you doing? Oh, we got a trespasser. And I'll open that too, but we'll open this up, I'll show it to you. Oh, nice. This thing looks nice. Look at there. That's everything. So I'll put this together. I don't know if I'll show very much of it putting together or not. We'll open this box real quick and we'll see what these are. Okay, so we got a bit of a mess right here. I'm probably just gonna put the basket together for right now because it's getting dark on me, and I'll show you guys doing that. And then we'll talk about some plans we got for the Stealth Astro all-wheel drive camper. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait to get this thing done and get it out. Okay, I'm losing daylight pretty quick and I haven't made a lot of progress yet. I did get the rack kind of put together. I'm gonna stick it up top kind of where I think I'm gonna put it. You guys let me know down below what you think. I think it's gonna look great once I get the rails up there and then put the basket on top. But I'll put the basket on top, just set it up there for now to give us all an idea of what it's gonna look like. Now I got the smaller rack because this is an Astro van and I just didn't know how big of a rack I needed. The good thing about this is I can buy an extender for that if I thought I needed a big one, but I think this is gonna be perfect. I think I got the perfect size for this because I wanna put a AC unit up on top, one that goes like in an RV, maybe a smaller one for that, and even maybe a solar panel up there if I had enough room. So let's take a look at this. I think it's gonna look awesome. Hey Gabby. Can't really make it out. Of course it's gonna be higher up because we'll have the rails up there. What do you guys think? Let me get up here. So I'll still have room for my AC. I might even bring that all the way forward. I want to put a roll bar light up top too. So that's probably going to be pretty close to where I want it, I think. And that still gives me plenty of room for my air conditioner and maybe even a solar panel. So what do you guys think about the basket? I think it's pretty cool. I think I'm going to like it once I get it all mounted up there. That's going to have to be for another video of me actually mounting it or showing you what I did to it, because it's just getting too dark on me. You can see the sun has went down below the tree line over there. So that means I got about 15 minutes left and there's no way I'm going to get this done in that amount of time. So what I want to do before it gets too dark is just give you a walk around the van. If you're new to my channel, you haven't seen this yet, this is just a little side project I'm working on. I would like to get it done this summer. We'll see. It's kind of been a slow process. Now I did gut it. I do have a little bit of stuff in there, but I did gut it. I'm getting ready to put the floors down and all that. So let me turn this around, the camera around, and show you exactly what I'm wanting to do. Okay, it's kind of dark in here, but I'm going to put the original seats up front because they sit like this and they fold down. So what the plan is to put the original seat up there. That way the kids can still sit down and buckle up whenever we're driving, and then when we're ready to sleep, we can fold it down. But right here, where all this junk's at, we were at the actually at the fireworks stand that had all this stuff. I'm going to put a couch right here that folds down into a bed. So then it will, and I'll make it level with that seat up there that folds down. So I'll have one big bed in here for all of us to sleep in. What do you guys think about that? That's the direction I'm going. After I get this roof rack and all that stuff on, I'm going to go buy the material for the flooring, put the flooring in, put the seat back in. Flooring now, I can put the seat back, I can put the seat in, then I can start building my my couch that I want to fold out. And I actually bought some brackets that allow you to slide it out, and it holds like 500 pounds when it slides out. But also whenever you slide it out, you'll put some legs up there. That way it supports the weight of everyone sleeping on it. That's the plan. That's the plan. If I could find some pictures of what I'm thinking of, I'll put some pictures in here for you guys to give you a better idea. But I can't wait to get this stuff done. Maybe I'm trying to do this on one day on the weekend, trying to get things done, but it's just so hard with all the activities we got going on. But I think, what do y'all think about that rack? Let's get back here a little bit. I think it's the right size for what I want. I can even put my spare tire up there if I wanted to. I don't know if you can really see it or not. But so yeah, we want to get this done so we can do some stealth camping for you guys. I've been showing Hayden some videos of stealth camping, and she's like, oh, that looks like fun. People camping out in Walmart and not being seen. That's the thing, you're trying not to be seen while you're camping, and I think that's pretty cool. We got the front windows tinted on it here a few weeks ago, so it's looking pretty slick. They call it the Ninja Turtle van or the Scooby-Doo van. It's pretty. I think it's going to be awesome though. It's got a little lift kit on it, it's got cool tires, and it's running great. So the next step I got for the van is I want to get the racks. I want to get the rack up there, get it situated. Then I want to buy an AC unit. If you guys got any suggestions on what kind of unit to put up there, how to run that unit and all that, leave me some comments, some suggestions down below. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this, so I'm open for advice. Obviously, I don't know anything about this stuff. I'm researching as I go along to do this. So once we get that ready, the AC is going to be the biggest purchase. I think it's going to be anywhere from $500 to $800, unless you guys got some other suggestions for me, because I don't have an AC unit in the van itself. I want to run an air conditioner when we're camping at night and all that stuff. And if I have to put a generator outside somewhere, we'll do that to run it. Can you run an AC unit like that off solar panels and batteries? Leave me answers down below for that, please. Yep, that's what we got so far. Alright guys, that's all I got for you for the video today. I want to give you guys an update because, like I said earlier, I've been getting so many questions about the camper van conversion. So this is where I'm at now, trying to get the racks up there. The next video you will see, hopefully, the little bar racks will work for my basket. So as soon as I get that done, I'll be doing an update for you guys and show you the progress on that. It's going to be fun. I can't wait to get it done. Any suggestions at all, leave me comments down below, guys. I greatly appreciate it. If you like this little update, smash that like button for me if you would. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. There's a little button you can push right there. You push it, subscribe to my channel. Click that little bell, gives you 3 options. Click the very top one. It says you get all my notifications. It helps me out a bunch, helps the family out. We greatly appreciate y'all. We'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.